Okay, the wedding is on, and Jackson asked Mfundisi to be, I don't know, which uzoba umkhaphi wakhe kanjani while he's busy officiating the marriage. And also, Umatha asked usisi wakhe ukuthi, can you be my matron of honor? And then she said yes. That looks like ngathi zonke izinto zihamba ngendlela la kumele sihambe ngakhona. I don't know what I'm saying. But it looks like everything is on order, everything is on par. Now, tell me why Jackson, when it was time for him to go separate ways to go and sleep, and then bese umuntu uphethe umpu ungena endlini kaThandiswa. Kwenzakalani lapho ke manje? I don't understand. Kuthi are we not supposed to be celebrating? Are we not supposed to be happy? Why do we have someone aphethe isibhamu ke ahamba ngena endlini zabo? Nakhona ungene kanjani? Nakhona kusebusuku yo kuninzi mtase. It's in the middle of the night, and then he walks through the door and then start going to checker if there's any movement, and he realized there wasn't any movement. Then he heads straight to the bedroom. How did he even know where the bedroom? Oh, because he know Thandiswa at some point for some unknown reason. Woo-wee, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Nimadekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi ngon'wina so namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hi kuma ku ri swi tshamisekangi kahle looking at the fact that the house does not feel like a home anymore for uSakhile nonkosikazi wakhe, because unkosikazi wakhe ukwatile uganunwabo. She does not want to be part of any speech whatever addressing the nation that is happening because of everything that she has went through. At Yena, she does not want to be going there playing aboma pretender and stuff. So it's best for Usakhile ahamba ayenze press release yakhe alone, because now if he goes there alone, the problem is people are going to ask questions, where is the first lady? Now she was forced to go there, and then I say Ukhuluma speeches amanga how they've been supporting each other, and Usakhile says, you know what, I'm not going anywhere, I'm here. But he told a lie. He did not tell them ukuthi umuntu bekamthreaten umshana wakhe. But now, my question is, out of what he has said, won't that make umshana wakhe be angry? Because what he said there on his speech, it was so provoking, saying ukuthi angeke baze balunge njanjani angihambi ngiyahlala ke. Yeah, that was provocative, and it can make anger yomunye umuntu ukuthi iye phezulu, even though umshana wakhe uyazi ukuthi he was not okay, he was the one, but he was sent. So it's like manje so uyayiqhenya ngalento ayenzile, which is now a problem. On the other hand ke sithola ukuthi uThini uzama ukulungisa umshado kaTim nomnkosikazi wakhe. The problem is I foresee like labantu laba bawu2 bazohamba bayothandana bese uThini asale ngaphandle. I don't know. She is so invested in this. Unkosikazi waThini Tim. Why am I saying Time? Tim, she refused to have any conversations, no time. But then again, today she went back and said, you know what, we can have a conversation. I'm ready. And then they sat down, they had a conversation. And this woman said exactly lento ndandixelela yona. Andithi mandinixelela niyatsho ukuba andinixelanga. And ndandixelela uthi mazimzondixelela ndixelela. Ndiyatsho ke ngoku ukuthi ndanixelela. I told you. So she's saying that she was there at home, anakekela umaga Tim, and she was doing all of this alone, adliwe sizungu laphayana, and Tim would come once in a very long while. So she's human at some point, walingeka. It's not that she was a bad person, but it is because naye she got lonely because Utim was nowhere to be found. He would call here and there, but the interest level looked like it was on zero, and then Veso told her something nyan. She said. So it's exactly the same thing that I was telling you. Probably Utim was not giving her the attention and everything that the woman deserved until he realized ukuthi my better kopela Timon. Then he was like, my person. You see, so all this time he was not interested anyway. He was not showing any sort of interest. And then Uthini was so mad. It's like, how is this what you were doing? Atu Tim Ute wena sohlala sikhulume singajajani. We listen but we don't judge. Atu Uthini, no, but this is like lo mfazi lo uhlukumezeke kakhulu. She was taking the mfazi's side, but I think that at the end of the day, this could be a good start for their marriage. But I don't know, Uti, if this would work out for the three of them, because I don't know.
Hi, angazi angeke. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.